Welcome back to Mainstream Cryptos. It's great to have you all with us again this week as we take a look at the freshest news hot off the press with regards to crypto and online finance. If you're new here, special welcome to you. For you golden oldies, you know what we do. Let's get stuck right in. Piece of news number one. Ripple says that the Supreme Court case favors its fair notice defense. In a recent court filing, Ripple Labs Incorporated, argued that the recent Supreme Court case verdict in Bitcoin and United States buttresses their fair notice defense against the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple Labs, for those of you who don't know, along with its CEO Brad Carlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen, is currently facing a lawsuit filed by the SEC alleging that the company's XRP tokens were unregistered securities. Number 2 on the table, Optimism Bedrock plans to reduce its network fees by almost 50%. That is a lot. Joshua Gutau, a software engineer at OP Labs, the development team behind Ethereum scaler Optimism, shares his estimations of the effects of upcoming upgrade Bedrock for the cost efficiency of Optimism transactions. Bedrock activation reduces protocol costs and security fees by 47%, according to research. Yesterday, on March the 2nd, 2023, Mr. Gutau shared a detailed blog post about how Bedrock will affect data logistics on Optimism, or OP. In all of Ethereum's L2s, users pay two types of transaction fees: ordinary gas, the L2 execution fee, and the price of transaction verification on the underlying L1. To minimize both types of costs, OP developers decided to reconsider the way OP compresses data and the manner in which it sends data to Ethereum. Number 3. A top Italian football club is taking payments in this cryptocurrency. AS Roma, a top Italian soccer club, is now accepting payment in digital bits, or XDB, the self-described leading blockchain for brands. Payments will be taken across 5 of the club's flagship retail stores, including Via del Corso, Piazza Colonna, Ottaviano, Porta di Roma, and Fanzone at Stadio Olimpico. Per a press release shared with Crypto Potato, customers will be able to use digital bits to purchase branded AS Roma merchandise. Well, come on guys, if the Italians are doing it, it must be the thing to do. So, where is everyone else at? On to number 4. This is a sad one. The Sandbox suffers a security breach, users targeted via phishing email. The blockchain-based metaverse company, the Sandbox, has warned its users about a security breach through a malware application. According to the official blog post, an unauthorized third party managed to gain access to the computer of one of its employees and used the information it found to send an email falsely claiming to be from the Sandbox. Its statement read, "We have blocked the employee's accounts and access to the Sandbox, reformatted the employee's laptop, and reset all related passwords, including requiring two-factor authentication. We have not identified any further impacts." The company warned against possible phishing attacks and urged them to avoid clicking on a hyperlink in the phishing email or any other suspicious links to prevent malware from being installed on their computers. It also recommended users strengthening their passwords and implementing two-factor authentication. The Sandbox, however, clarified that the third party's access was limited to a single employee's computer, accessed through a malware application. No other services or accounts of the Sandbox were breached. In other words, they're not to blame and everything's going to be okay. It's not a major issue in their security. Let's take a look at number 5. Coinbase dumps Silvergate for Signature Bank. Coinbase has announced that it would drop its banking partner Silvergate, which is undergoing regulatory scrutiny and investigations regarding its ties to collapsed crypto exchange FTX. The latest development comes shortly after Silvergate said it would delay its annual Form 10-K filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. In a tweet thread on Wednesday, Coinbase revealed that the company will no longer use Silvergate as a banking partner for its Coinbase Prime customers. The crypto exchange added that it has de minimis corporate exposure to Silvergate. In light of recent developments and out of an abundance of caution, Coinbase is no longer accepting or initiating payments to or from Silvergate. This is what they said in a memo. We are facilitating fiat withdrawals and deposits using Signature Bank, effective immediately. We are asking you to update your Coinbase payment instructions to Signature Bank. Number 6. Some more on Coinbase. Coinbase solidifies leadership position with One River digital acquisition. On Friday, Coinbase announced that it had acquired One River Digital Asset Management, a digital asset management firm that provides institutional clients with exposure to digital assets through investment products. According to Coinbase's blog post, this acquisition will enable Coinbase to establish Coinbase Asset Management, offering investment advisory services to a range of institutional clients. And it fits in with Coinbase's goal of filling the gap between institutions and the crypto economy. Number 7. Uniswap wants to launch a mobile wallet, but Apple won't greenlight its launch. Despite having its first build approved in October, Uniswap Labs is facing issues with Apple's App Store regarding its mobile wallet. Uniswap Labs has announced plans to release a new self-custodial mobile wallet that will offer users the ability to swap on Layer 1 or Layer 2 networks without having to switch blockchain. Well, that would certainly be helpful. Despite having its first build approved in October, Uniswap Labs has faced issues with Apple's App Store regarding its mobile wallet. Although other self-custody swapping wallets have been approved, the final build was rejected by Apple just a few days before its planned December 2022 launch. Uniswap notes in an announcement, Apple won't greenlight our launch, and we don't know why. We are stuck in limbo. Poor Uniswap. And moving on to number 8. Ooh, Bitcoin, lots of lovely Bitcoin. Bitcoin NFT market to hit $4.5 billion by 2025. A report released Friday by analysts suggests that Bitcoin Ordinal's wild run of the last month is only just the beginning. And you would be wise to note that that is only just a suggestion. The emergent Bitcoin NFT ecosystem, practically non-existent just months ago, could balloon to $4.5 billion in market size by 2025, according to a report released by Galaxy Research. Analysts anticipate that the Bitcoin ordinal frenzy of the last 2 months is no blip. They project demand for the ability to store nefts on the world's oldest and most established blockchain will only grow in the coming years. Galaxy researchers say that even by summer of this year, an entire infrastructure of products and services designed to cater to this growing market will be fully developed. Let's keep in mind that people love to make dramatic predictions. Let's also keep in mind that they are experts. Analysts, the word is. So there is legitimate reason to take the suggestions seriously. And moving on to number 9. Chainlink introduces a new platform to link Web 2 APIs with Web 3. Chainlink, a provider of blockchain data, recently unveiled a platform that will let programmers link data to smart contracts. Developers can connect their decentralized applications or smart contracts to any Web 2 API using Chainlink functions, and then use the network's highly secure and dependable platform to perform custom computations on it in a matter of minutes. Beautiful. Speed. Everything we love. With blockchain technology, Chainlink seeks to provide products that will connect the entire world. To enable token transfers and communication across all blockchains, the company revealed a collaboration with Swift, an interbank messaging system, in September. Kamal Al-Mujahid, Chief Product Officer of Chainlink Labs, has stated, "Our goal is to enable developers to combine the best of Web 3 smart contracts with the power of Web 2.0 APIs." And we have reached a piece of news number 10. Vibet and Telos collaborate to boost digital assets trading expansion for institutional clients. Vibet, which is the third most visited cryptocurrency exchange in the world, has announced an exciting cooperation with Telos, the leading supplier of institutional digital asset trading technology. The integration combines the strength of Vibet's access to a broad range of digital assets and best-in-market enterprise solutions, such as trading execution with accuracy, with Telos's powerful trade infrastructure solutions. Vibet will be able to simplify access for institutions wishing to enter the cryptocurrency industry through the Telos platform, thanks to this agreement. Moreover, this new partnership will improve real-time liquidity, further enhancing the Vibet user experience. I support that. Real-time liquidity is always something to be sought after, within reason. Don't you agree? News item number 11. Is Binance listing for XDC to be expected? What should we expect? Binance US inquired of its customers about the new crypto token to be listed on its exchange list. Today, they posted a small puzzle on their official Twitter account. New month equals new listing opportunities coming your way. What cryptocurrencies are you hoping to see added next? Following this announcement, various altcoin communities have been pushing their campaigns on Twitter. The followers and cryptocurrency army is targeting to gain the spotlight of the largest crypto trading platform. XDC, the crypto token, is expected to be one among those to get placed on the new Binance listing. The XDC cryptocurrency, which was formerly known as Chainlink Network, is an EVM-compatible blockchain. Number 12. Alright, anyone know Joe Fortune? Australia, casino, gambling, ringing any bells? Right, Joe Fortune has announced a bonus that favors Bitcoin users. A special bonus program has been made available by Joe Fortune, an Australian casino, for site visitors and cryptocurrency depositors. Anybody who enjoys playing cryptocurrency games will now be rewarded. This promotion is designed just for those who like to dive into online pokies and other games using Bitcoin. Ta-da! And moving on to our 13th, 14th, and 15th piece of news for today. It's kind of like a lucky package. They come 3 in 1. So let's get stuck into that. All right, what are these 3 delicious pieces of news? Cardano founder makes a Doge statement. SHIB is now accepted at Wendy's. Oh, everybody party. And Doge starts trading on a major exchange. Cardano founder makes an unexpected Doge statement. This is quite humorous. Stay with me for this. Yesterday, the Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson took to Twitter to express his admiration for Doge voting, writing Doge voting #forever in his post. This unexpected confession by Hoskinson surprised community members, with many of them taking to the comments section to find out what to make of it. As it turned out, the Cardano founder's tweet has hardly anything to do with the popular meme token. Ha ha ha. Judging by Hoskinson's love for Italian naming, he may have referred to the Venetian Doges, rulers of the Republic of Venice, who were elected via a complex voting system. Thus, one could suggest that the tweet is a kind of clue as to how Cardano's future voting system will operate. Well, only if you're a history boffin. Meanwhile, a European history boffin, an Italian European history boffin. Meanwhile, the blockchain ecosystem is awaiting its transition to a new system of decentralized governance, the Voltaire era. I mean, what do you make of it? If you have anything to say, you can pop a comment down below. We'd love to hear your opinion. In any case, our second piece of exciting news in this lovely package is that Shiba Inu is now accepted at fast food chain Wendy's. Good news for all SHIB holders living in the state of Georgia in the US. Shout out to you guys. From now on, you can use your meme tokens to pay for Wendy's meals. You can also spend them at more than 600 other vendors, including major hotels, restaurants, and supermarkets. This became possible thanks to a new partnership between Binance Pay and CityPay.io, a Georgia-based crypto payment gateway. And last but definitely not least, Dogecoin has started trading on this major exchange. Coins, a Philippines-based platform, announced that Dogecoin has become available on its digital currency exchange product, Coins Pro. The dog-themed token has joined the list of crypto-to-fiat pairs available for trading on Coins Pro, and users can directly trade cryptocurrencies using the Filipino peso at low fees. In addition to market orders, the exchange also offers limit and stop limit orders. And folks, that is our news for this week. Was it helpful? I hope so. Feel free to let us know in the comments section what you found interesting, what you found absolutely ridiculous, and more importantly, what you're going to do with the news so that you can keep on investing wisely. That's all for now, folks. I'll be seeing you next week. Stay safe and have a good one.